Talk number 068. What to do in case of a serious accident. In our short safety meetings, we've talked about many topics, mainly about preventing accidents. If we could stop every accident before it starts, we'd avoid many of our worries. Still, despite all we do, sometimes serious accidents happen. So today, let's talk about what to do after a serious accident. I think we can all agree, our first concern should be the injured person. In a car crash, the first question is usually, was anyone hurt? So naturally, our first thought is for the person who may be injured. The first thing we do is give first aid. If you've read about first aid or received training, you'll know what to do. Proper first aid gives comfort to the victim and helps prevent further injury. Do not rush to move the person, and don't let anyone else move them. After giving first aid, call a doctor and an ambulance if needed. Once the victim is being cared for or is at the hospital, there are other steps to follow. Some must be done immediately. You may be responsible for one of them someday. Sometimes, an accident can create new hazards for others around. For example, the equipment involved could cause electric shock, fire, or block movement. We must secure the area or keep people away until maintenance or emergency crews arrive. So, we've helped the injured person, and we've kept others safe. What's next? We must report the accident right away. This is important for several reasons. First, a full accident report is required. Second, the company needs to notify insurance company, doctors, and of course, the victim's family. Mr. Supervisor, instruct your team on who to notify in case of an accident. Here are more things you should keep in mind. Victim's name and address, time and location of the accident, type of injury, what first aid was given, was the person sent to a hospital or home. It's important to remember every detail about the accident. Why? Because the only good that can come from an accident is learning how to prevent another one. To do that, we need the facts. That's why the company investigates accidents, and sometimes the insurance company does too. There will be many questions. It's not about blaming anyone. No one is being accused. The facts are needed for records and to take action so it doesn't happen again. You may not have thought about all that follows a serious injury. Every accident brings a lot of extra work, not just for the injured coworker. There's only one way to avoid all the paperwork, the questions, and the consequences. Do everything you can to prevent injuries.